Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another banger video. Today, we're going to be building a basic neural network using Python and the powerful Keras library. Neural networks are at the heart of many modern machine learning applications, and understanding their fundamentals is essential for anyone interested in AI and deep learning. Join us as we explain the concepts behind neural networks, walk through the code line by line, and demonstrate how to train a simple neural network to solve a classification problem. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of neural networks and be ready to dive deeper into the field of deep learning. Now, before we get into the video, if you guys want to see more videos like this, drop a like down below. It helps us out tremendously with the YouTube algorithm. With that out of the way, let's hop right into it. So let's start by importing the required libraries. Alright, so here we import the NumPy library for numerical operations and the sequential and dense classes from the Keras models and layers modules respectively. Sequential class allows us to build a sequential model for our neural network, while the dense class represents a fully connected layer in the network. Next, we'll define the architecture of our neural network. Here's an example. Right, in this code snippet, we create an instance of the sequential model. We then add 3 layers to the model using the add method. The first layer has 10 nodes, takes an input shape of 4, and uses the ReLU activation function. The second layer has 8 nodes and also uses a ReLU activation function. Lastly, the last layer has 3 nodes and uses the softmax activation function, which is more suitable for multi-class classification problems. Now, let's compile and train our neural network. Here's an example. In this code snippet, we use the compile method to configure the model for training. We specify the optimizer as atom, the loss function as categorical cross entropy, which is suitable for multi-class classification, and the metric as accuracy to evaluate the model's performance. Then, we use the fit method to train the model on our input data x, and the corresponding label is y for a specified number of epochs and a batch size of 32. In this example, we assume that we have input data x and the corresponding labels y. Alright, so there we go. We've just successfully built a basic neural network using Python and Keras. Neural networks are incredibly powerful for solving complex problems in the field of machine learning and AI. If you guys enjoyed or found this video helpful, drop a like down below, drop a comment if you have any questions, and we'll catch you in the next one.